Hello, you're welcome to my channel. Today I will be discussing and will be sharing how you can download a file from a GitHub repository using your mobile phone. Most people find it challenging to download GitHub repository files using their mobile phone. Today, what I would advise us, we'll click on our browser, and I would suggest you use a Chrome browser specifically for that. Now, once you do that, make sure you select the three dots by the top right, or you click the option menu on the browser. Then make sure it's on desktop mode or desktop sites. Now, once you're done that, you click on GitHub. Once the GitHub loads up like this, it loads up in the desktop mode, not the usual mobile mode. Now you can search for any repository or any source code you want. Once you select it up, now you can simply just click on the green icon where it says code. Now, once you click on it, you could either download it using the source code, or but specifically for this video, you download it using the download zip. Once you download the zip, now it downloads directly to your mobile phone and you can utilize it. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like the video, and see you next time.